Students, listen this. So in this classification of dosage forms, let us discuss about classification of dosage forms. Before going to discussion about classification, first of all you have to know about the dosage form. Dosage forms are means by which the drug molecule or active pharmaceutical ingredient are delivered to the site of action within the body to produce optimum or desired effects, and the minimum adverse effects is known as a dosage form. So here listen this, dosage form means actually we are preparing active medicament or active pharmaceutical ingredients. These active pharmaceutical ingredients are essential for administration of a drug molecule into the body is known as a dosage form is must requirement or basic requirement to administration of optimum effects and minimum adverse effects. When the injured cell or injured tissue is present in our body, so what kind of dosage form will referable to heal that injured tissue or cell is most important to administer the drug into to reach the site of action and to produce the optimum effects or desired effects is known as a dosage form. So dosage forms are nothing but these are the unique substances. These are the unique substances to by which the active medicament or active pharmaceutical ingredient which is produce optimum effects and minimum adverse effects is known as a dosage form. So everyone learn the word dosage form. Dosage forms are means by which a drug molecule or active pharmaceutical ingredient is delivered to the site of action to unique a substance which is maybe capsule, tablet, syrup, elixir, emulsion or any other kind of dosage form is essential to produce an optimum effects and minimum adverse effects is known as a dosage form. So before going to learn about the classification, we have to learn about the definition of dosage form. So dosage form definition, everyone learn about dosage form definition and write down the notes and send in WhatsApp.